OEM 655-44315-A100. Water Pump Gasket from Ice Marine is designed to create a secure, watertight seal within the water pump assembly of Yamaha outboard engines. It helps maintain proper cooling system pressure and prevents water leakage between pump components, ensuring consistent engine cooling and reliable performance on the water. Commonly used on Yamaha two-stroke outboards, such as the 8 HP models, including 8B and E8D series. It is also compatible with certain 6 HP engines, like the 6B series. This gasket replaces earlier versions, including 655-44315-00, 655-44315-01, and 655-44315-A0, while maintaining the same fit and function. Manufactured from durable gasket materials suitable for marine environments, it is built to resist water exposure, pressure, and temperature changes within the cooling system. Ice Marine, based in Taiwan, specializes in premium aftermarket marine products you can trust. Learn more at iceboatparts.com, email seller icemarine.cc, or contact us on WhatsApp at +886 966 468 632.